This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to browse films by genre on Letterboxd. So right here on Letterboxd on the main page, first thing that we need to do, there's actually two main ways that we can browse by genre on Letterboxd. So the first main way, I'm just here on Letterboxd, the main page, letterboxd.com. We will click here on films at the very top. So I'm just going to click on films. Now we've got the main films screen right here. So this is covering the entirety of the site. So this isn't yet specific to the films that you've actually watched and reviewed. I'll show you how to do that and actually search by genre within there. But this main way, we have browse by at the very top. We have genre, we hover over genre, and we have all of the different genres here. I think they have about sort of 20 main genres here. So if we were clicking on, let's say we clicked on horror right here, you can see right here we have all of the horror films on the site, of which there are currently 70,000. So we can click next here and we can start to click through. We can also do all of the usual sorting and filtering. So maybe we have them filtered here by popularity by default. We can do like film length, shortest or longest first. We can also do things like rating. So I often like to do average ratings. This is average rating across the site, not by your reviews or anything like that. So if we click average rating, we see the highest rated at the top right here. And you notice some of these are faded out. So I do have this setting right here to actually fade the watched films. So the ones that are faded out are the films that I've actually seen. You may have that setting, you may not. So that's genre. We can change the genre again here. If we want to drama right here, we can do the same there. We've got all the usual sorting and filtering right there. Documentary. So actually what I've done here is I've selected multiple genres. So I'd have to untick these. So that will show multiple genres. And then if I just remove them like that, so that's saying don't show. So what that was doing, if you double click them, they essentially say don't show. So if there's any genre overlap where a film's got multiple genres, then that was what that option was for there. But essentially you just need to tick to be able to see just a genre here. So here's documentary. If I was to go for animation, then we've got documentary and animation. I take it off. That's actually said nothing that has documentary in it. If I tick again, that's back to just animation. And now there's another thing. If you actually click on a film here and you're looking within a film, you can click on genres here. You can actually search by genre. So here we are on a film page. This film, Over the Wall from 2014, we can see that there were 4 genres attached: animation, mystery, family, and comedy. And also we have themes right here. So if we click show all, we can see the themes right here. So we can start to search within themes. This is really helpful. So if you want to get a bit more granular and you want to actually check out beyond just a genre, you can click on themes. And then also nano genres is quite helpful, so even more granular. So you see you could click into cartoon, singing and colourful and find all the films that satisfy that nano genre. Now I will go back over to my profile again. So we'll hover over the name, we'll click on profile. And just one more thing to show you can actually search for the genres within films that you've actually watched. So here we are on a profile. So this is my profile right here. Once you're on your profile screen, again, just come up to the top here and click on profile. You then click on films, so 2 across on this little sub panel here, and you'll see that these are films that I have actually watched. So we see watched right here. Again, we can do all our usual sorting and filtering, and we have the genre right here. So I could search for, if I just want to see family, the films that are tagged with the family genre. We can see that these are all films that I've watched with the family genre attached. And again, we can do the same here. We can come up to genre and we can look for just history. So I'd have to take family off here again. And then we see just the history films I've seen, 236 historical films right here. So hopefully you found this video on how to search by genre on Letterboxd useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.